Who made the first ice cream cake? What's the story? Find out. Who doesn't love an ice cream cake? Carvel's, an American company, put this cake on the map, selling millions of them as a Father's Day treat in the 1930s. And then Dairy Queen, Baskin-Robbins, and many others followed suit, making what began as a European pudding of biscuits and frozen custard into a mainstream dessert available at ice cream parlors and in the frozen sections of supermarkets. Do you know that the ice cream cake you enjoy today took nearly 5 centuries to evolve? Its story begins not in the United States of America, but in 9th century Italy when it was under Islamic rule. Arab influence on Italian, especially Sicilian and southern Italian cuisine, is remarkable. The 250 years of Arab rule in Sicily, 827 to 1091 AD, and earlier trade contacts transformed the culinary landscape. Arabs brought cane sugar to Sicily and turned it into an industry. This completely changed Italian sweets. Almond paste, candied fruit, zucchata, cedro, zucchata di zucca, carob-based sweets, rose water, orange blossom water, honey-based pastries, the introduction of bitter oranges, lemons, limes and citrons to Sicily, dishes like granita, limoncello, citrus-based pastries are all Arab influenced. It is believed that the first ice cream cake was actually a cassata, and the word comes from the Arabic kasat, meaning wide bowl, in which the cassata was originally prepared. So even today, a cassata has a dome shape. Right? But the first cassata that was prepared was not a frozen dessert at all. It was the cassata al forno. The cassata was baked in a dome-shaped bowl and came out of the oven pretty much like a cake. Sweetened ricotta put inside a wide bowl and shaped with pastry and baked, hence the dome shape. Over the years, the development of chocolate, marzipan, candied nuts, all kinds of refining techniques for sugar, and this dessert began to become more and more complex with layers, marzipan on the outside, layers of mousse on the inside. But it really became an ice cream cake when it went to France. In France, chefs like Anton Carême began to experiment with freezing custards. You'd be surprised to know that the first ice creams for many centuries were really egg-based custards that had been frozen. By the 17th, 18th century, in France and England, the aristocracy and their chefs began experimenting with ice creams molded into decorative shapes. Early versions of ice cream cakes were actually ice cream molded to look like cakes, often called bombes or bombe glacée in French. They were layered with fruits, biscuits or custard, but no baked sponge. By the 1830s to 1870s, ice cream cakes referred to ice cream molded inside sponge or ladyfingers inspired by the Charlotte Russe and trifle. Recipes appear in cookbooks like Mrs. Lincoln's Boston Cookbook 1884, often using sponge cakes as a base. This development began to take place in the United States of America. The popularization of ice boxes, and early refrigeration also helped to create the ice cream cake. The concept of layering an ice cream cake really took off in Victorian England. When the concept of cassata and bombe glacés came to England, they took to it immediately because they love layered desserts. So layering one flavor of ice cream over another, putting sponges over it, putting ladyfingers and crushed biscuits over it, nuts, truffes, bombs, Neapolitan brick ice cream cakes, bombe glacés, cassata, they're all different versions. Oh, and I forgot baked Alaska, of an ice cream cake. Many contemporary celebrity chefs have created ice cream cakes of their own. Ina Garten, Dory Greenspan, James Beard, Martha Stewart, all of them have created unique versions of this classic. Ice cream cake has certainly had a long and grand evolution. But the dessert that we know today is a layered frozen dessert that we love so much, that brings joy to children and grown-ups alike. You'll find the easy recipe for this ice cream cake on my YouTube channel. Do try it, use the flavors of ice cream that you like, and enjoy.